Hi guys, so welcome to another session on web services test automation with Testing Whiz. Testing Whiz, as I told you in my previous video session, it's a commercial tool, and it's a wonderful tool which allows us to do web services automation. So I'm going to show you how to do a simple web services automation using Testing Whiz. First of all, you guys should know the official download page. So this is the official download page for Testing Whiz. You have to give the details and submit it. Then we'll get a email for the work email that you have specified, which gives you the download links for Testing with exe, plus the email attaches the license trial text file. So after installing this, you can open up the Testing Whiz. This is the Testing Whiz. So what I'm going to do is what I have done in this article which I have written previously: testing web services with Testing Whiz. Okay, in a visual way of testing. So you can go through my article in LinkedIn, which gives the step-by-step instructions. So I'm gonna do the same thing, more of the same thing. So I am going to create a test project, new test project, service project 1. Okay, so I'm gonna save this, then I'm gonna create a new test suite ts1, and I'm gonna create a new test case tc1. So after that, I'll save it in new location. There we are. So what I will do is I will create a new keyword called execute REST web service. So I'm gonna execute a REST web service. I will give my URL of circuits 2017. This is a REST service which sends a JSON response. So I'm going to give this a get based REST service. So I'm going to give the URL and the type of the web service, and I'm going to give the values. T response code will be R code. We can give anywhere any name for these inputs. So we'll say R header, and we will say R body. Okay, save it. Let's run and see whether we are hitting the correct web service and it's passing. Yeah, we are hitting the correct web service, so it's passing. So shall we move on with our creation of our web service test? So next, let's create a parse object, JSON parse object, parse. Okay, JSON message, and we will give the values. So we'll give the values as same as what we have given here. So we have given the source as t body. That's the body that we have given earlier. Then we had to copy the JSON expression, which is the JSON path of the JSON file. So we start with $, double dot, circuit table dot circuit name. Okay, Then let's give a target variable name, so we will give variable underscore body. Then we'll save it, and let's run and see whether we are passing this. So let's run and see whether we are passing this one. Okay, so it's successful. So what I'm going to do now is we are going to show it in the message body, the body, entire body. Okay, next we are going to do is we are going to add write to report function, write message to report. So what we are going to do is I'm going to add the value v dot body, which we have given here. So v underscore body. So we copy this to make sure that we type the correct one. Yes. So after that we'll save it and we'll execute and see whether we get the body written into our report. Okay, let's go and see that it's getting logged, the response. Yeah, look at it. So we send a response to our circuit and it returns circuit web service. It returns a JSON based response, and it's a REST based web service. So we send a GET request and we get it, and what we do is we get it past the values and we write it to the report, the entire body that is passed. So this is how we do a simple web services, REST based web services request testing. Thank you guys, hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, please put a like on LinkedIn post. Thanks guys.